What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is kind of a disaster. It was a box inside of a box, and it definitely needs some taping up because this is a disaster. This is terrible. Alright, but I think it's just an old box. So I'm sure that's like a little sticker right there, a little Takcom. Let's get this out of the way. And I don't know where I'm going to put all this. What is this? What is this? Let's take it off the screen just in case. Oh, so this is just like saying thanks pretty much for checking out these knives from Takcom. Cool. That's kind of nice. I like that. First off, this is, I can't remember what that one, I think that's the Bulldog, Takcom Bulldog. And this is the Ventor. Let's check this out. Yeah, I think, yeah, Ventor, that's what it was. Okay, no name on it or anything like that, no information. Plain Jane. So let's check out the Ventor. Ventor. Alright, so I noticed right away, no pocket clip. Okay. Oh, but it is snappy. It is very snappy. Not bad. A little bit loose on the top. Back and forth. A little lockup, though. Not bad lockup. Just a little loose. Not bad, though, like I'm saying. This is a liner lock, button lock. A liner slash button lock? Yeah, okay. Now I'm looking. Okay. If you look inside, there you go. Push the button. Liner lock goes in. So it's kind of like the Kubi. What was that knife I had a while back? Kaiser Mini Grouper, kind of like that. How the liner lock was attached to a button, and this thing is snappy. Ooh, it flips open with authority. Do not know what that blade shape is though. That's a little different. No pocket clip. Lanyard, I guess. Really kind of bummed by the no pocket clip though. I guess you would just throw it in your pocket, obviously. What is that? BSD. There, BSD, I think. This has kind of got me all jacked up. This is kind of crazy. It's kind of weird. Feels like it's solid though with that button lock. Doesn't really work all that well for the liner lock. Like obviously with your finger doing it yourself and everything, you can. Just definitely more ergonomically accessible. Is that or two words that go together? I don't know. Sound like they do kind of. I don't even know where I was going with that. My bad. But it's definitely easier with the button, not just hitting the liner lock yourself, even though I just did it pretty easy right there. I've been trying to, so that's why it's a little easier. But it's kind of cool. I do not know what this is, some kind of plastic or something. I'm not quite sure. I guess it might just be G10. I'll have to look it up, but not quite sure. Ain't nothing on the blade though, is there? Nothing. Well, there was actually. Hold on a second. Oh, right there. So it is Ventor right there. That's on the blade at least. And then you have the BSD. I don't know what that is. Maybe probably like a designer, his initials, something like that. So that's a little odd knife, but kind of cool at the same. It fits good in hand though. Ergonomically very neutral, but works very well. You have definitely some milling on the G10. Not bad. A little bit of extra jimping right here, texture just for your hand, so you don't get lose grip or anything like that. Kind of all right. I'm assuming it's not a whole like very expensive, probably like more of a budget line, but yeah, that's different. That's very different. I don't know if I like not having a button, not a button, but a pocket clip, and I don't like. Is that list like a keychain thing? You put it on put a ring on it, put it on your keychain or something. That seems like it's a large lanyard hole, if you know what I mean. I don't know. I'll have to look more into it. This is the Takcom Bulldog. Nothing else on it. Alright. No information anywhere else, apparently. Nope. I do like these card cases sometimes. I think they're kind of cool. You can use them for all kinds of things. This is the Bulldog. And, oh, no, that's not bad. The button, that's not bad. It's kind of big. Hold on. Hold on. Ah. Button reminds me somewhat of this. Of the, I don't know, it feels, the feel. Well, maybe not quite. Maybe it was the EMP EDC Pulse that kind of reminded me of it. Maybe that's what it was. Um, it does shoot out. I don't think like fast, but it's got some thump. Hold on, let me pull that Kershaw live wire out again. Yeah, I feel like it's definitely a little slower, probably because it is a little bigger, a little chunkier. Feels great in hand though, like it is big, obviously, as you can see, but it doesn't feel bad in hand at all. Like definitely something you could definitely use and slice, do whatever you need to. It is M390, so that's pretty nice. Well, okay. Why do knives OTS put fuller tabs over this? Is it just for design? I'm just saying. The MP EDC Pulse had the same type of thing on it. Looked cool though. Looked freaking cool. I won't lie, it did look pretty daggone cool. And they even had jimping on theirs. It was super dope. They did really well on their EMP EDC Pulse. Texturing on the handle is pretty nice. It's not too bad. I think this is aluminum. I'll have to check that out again. Pocket clip is reversible, which is nice. Okay, so that's got quite the ting to it. Screws are not recessed, which that sucks, but that's alright though. At least it came with a filler tab. That's what I like. You know what? Those screws are also not recessed. It's got the filler tab. I'm happy. I don't care. It's got the filler tab. I think it looks better with the screws poking out in the filler tab than having the screws and no filler tab. I think it looks better this way. So that's cool. Got a little lanyard hole kind of right there for it. It's kind of small. It might be kind of a fight to get that in and out, but it's not bad. Seems like a little bit of a chunker a little thicker for the OTF type of knife. I don't know. It's kind of cool. I'm ready to kind of carry this around and obviously do this all day and all night because that's what I do with OTFs, right? Yeah, like I said, it feels good in hand. I don't feel a pocket clip. I don't really feel that. I like that. It feels natural in hand, even though it's bigger. But not bad. I like these. These are two kind of cool knives. This one I'm still up in the air about. It's kind of cool. It's kind of awkward. But, oh, actually, shoot. What the heck, dude? It's got crap right here, too. I didn't even notice this. Oh, it's 14C28N. There we go. Now we know the deal. Thank you, Ketuo. Keto. We're going to go with Keto. But yeah, okay, I'm just gonna kind of end the video on this. Kind of cool. I like this one. This one's definitely pretty cool. I like this. Um, don't know the prices. I'm pretty sure that's budget friendly. This I'm not. This has M390, so it's not so budget friendly. It's probably gonna be up there a little bit. Probably, hopefully not too bad. I think this is aluminum. Obviously, it's not like titanium or something like that. So you're not gonna have to worry about the price too much. Blade is in there pretty secure, not like out of your way. Like you're not gonna stick your finger through there, like through the slot a little bit and cut yourself. It's definitely down there with a smidge. It's definitely T6 screws, definitely. But that milling is nice, though. That is nice. I like that. They did a pretty good job on that. And the milling on the handle or the button, I like that. It's not aggressive. Like it's your finger's gonna stick, but it's not aggressive at the same time. So that's nice. So that's pretty cool. They did a good job with this. That pot club though. Talk about that ting, right? That's all I got though, guys. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.